Welcome to the future of assembly. This facility in advanced automation with a highly skilled workforce.
After the high-pressure wash, the components receive a chemical pre-treatment, ensuring a flawless surface for priming.
Inside the automated coating booth, robotic arms apply a uniform coat of corrosion-resistant epoxy primer to the M270 hull chassis.
Watch the clearance on the harness.
Clear. Bring it down another ½ inch.
We have positive seating. Go for the clamps.
Slow descent. Watch your clearance on the manifold.
Clear on this side.
Looks aligned. Set her down.
Confirmed alignment. Good to go, team. Secure the blue line now.
Done. Checking the voltage.
Pressure looks good on the hydraulics.
The final step is tensioning. Using the specialized gauge, we set the pressure to the optimal level before the vehicle settles onto its new tracks.
Check the routing on the upper hard line here.
Looks good. P-clamps are secured as per diagram 3.
The traverse drive mechanism is critical. Here we see the installation of the large ring gear bearing.
We need to secure this section before routing the main power line.
Check the clearance on the bulkhead pass-through.
Okay, ease it down 5 inches.
5 inches. Copy.
Perfect alignment. Set it down.
Hit it again.
That's tight. Verified, mark applied.
Final twist on the torque wrench. Setting achieved.
Confirmed. Power link secure.
Make sure the comm stack is fully secured before we run the diagnostics.
Roger that.
Cable 10 is connected.
Make sure the halon bottles are secured tightly in the racks.
Checked. Routing the tubing now. The panel is active. All sensors online.
Master power engaged.
Sequence initiated. All indicators green on Module 1.
Confirmed. No fault codes present.
The elevation reading is drifting at maximum angle.
Confirmed. Adjusting the servo gain now.
Careful around the optics there.
Almost done with this side, moving to the rear.
Final checks complete on the launch mechanism.
Confirmed. Paint integrity is within spec, ready for sign-off.
Grid reference updated, confirmation on target lock.
Confirmed. System green, send the shot.
Colonel, it is our privilege to deliver this M270 system.
We are proud to accept it on behalf of the U.S. Army.
Keep coming, slow and steady. You're clear on this side. All right, hold it right there. The peak temperature on Zone 3 is slightly elevated.
It's still within tolerance for the vehicle specifications.
Zoom in right there. See that cluster near the heat affected zone?
Yes, looks like microporosity. We should flag that section for repair.
Cross-reference the rotation data with the baseline.
Confirmed. The drift is within tolerance levels.
Cross-reference the rotation data with the baseline.
Confirmed. The drift is within tolerance levels.
The key here is the shock attenuation system. These dampers are designed to absorb the kinetic energy during an impact, protecting the M270 crew. The viscosity levels are well within tolerance on the M270 samples.
Confirmed. Particle count is optimal as well.
Ready for release. The alignment gauge shows green across the board.
Data logs confirm successful calibration.
We are good for pod integration.
We're holding steady at peak horsepower. Torque is consistent. Efficiency is within the margin. Finalize the run.
Okay, tools and jack are in.
Check. Manuals and first aid kit.
Got it. Ready for staging.
The massive vehicle is carefully driven onto the heavy-duty electrotronic scales. The system instantly...
Clear on the hood?
Sides are clean.
Final check complete. Send it through.
Staging 2, Convoy 1, you are cleared to the railhead.
Roger, moving now.
Chains are secured and binders checked.
Brake lines inspected and ready.
Decks clear. We are ready for loading.
Keep it coming, slow, slow. Left, a little left, adjust left. All right, hold, stop, stop.
Slow ahead, steady pace. Keep it centered on the plates.
Roger, maintaining speed.
Got the front left secured. Okay, moving to the tensioner now. Clear left side.
All vehicles secured to standard. This rail car is approved for movement.
Test complete on the rear. Piston travel is good. Holding the set.
Stretching for hundreds of yards, the military hardware begins its journey on the main railway network.
Binder pop, get these chains clear. Watch your feet, chock's coming out. All right, next vehicle, let's move.